Complementary distribution. Phonological classifications sound within the system of a particular language or language. There are a lot of definitions which are necessary to know to understand phonology. Among them, we have complementary distribution, free variation, and phonological rules. Other is, we say that two phones are in complementary distribution because they work different environments or in different contexts. Remember, phones are the phonetic sounds that occur in a language and the ways in which they pattern. This pattern determines the inventory of phonemes.
Variation. In phonetics and phonology, variation is an alternative pronunciation of a word or of a phoneme in a word that doesn't affect the word's meaning. Variation is free in the sense that a different pronunciation doesn't result a different word or meaning. This is possible because some allophones and phonemes are interchangeable and can be substituted for each other or say to have overlapping distribution. For example, pasta y pasta. There is simply a sitting change in pronunciation. The meaning remains the same.
Contrastive distribution. Two sounds are in contrastive distribution when they can both appear in the same phonetic environment. Sounds that change the meaning of words in a minimal pair are in contrastive distribution because they contrast with each other. Example, beat versus Pete. B and P belong to different phonemes. Note the distribution. The sounds surrounding B and P in this example are exactly the same.
Good evening, my name is Kayla Paez. I want to talk about distinctive features of phonemes. Okay, for phonemes, we can find distinctive features between two words, defining the minimal pair between them. In addition, a phoneme may be marked with respect to a feature. According to Funky, a distinctive feature or a phoneme feature is a feature which distinguishes one phoneme from another, hence one word from another. Among the most common features, we have consonant, sonorant, syllabic, nasal, voiced, continuant, labial, alveolar, palatal, anterior, velar, corona, and sibilant. Furthermore, they are not in the complementary distribution, but occur word initial before the vowel U. The minimal pair are when two words sound the same, but they are different in definition because pair have different phonemes from each other. They cannot be allophones of one phoneme because one cannot replace with the two without changing the meaning of the word.
Non-distinctive, irrelevant, or redundant articulatory features are predictable for any sounds. Nasalization is irredundant for English vowels, but is distinctive for English consonants. Aspiration is a non-distinctive feature for voiceless stop in English. Voiceless stops are aspirated when they are the first sound in the word or when they are in the onset position of a stressed syllable. The distribution of a future aspiration is predictable since there is a rule that determines where it will surface. We can predict in the letter K in the word key will be aspirated. Aspiration is not a distinctive future since it doesn't create a different phoneme. For example, P in pin and spint, T in top and stop. In conclusion, aspiration is a non-distinctive feature for English consonants.